Let's dive right into today's pre-market playbook. We're looking at surging inflation data battling serious NVIDIA strength. April's producer price index just obliterated consensus. It had a massive 6% year over year. Month over month, a 1.4% surge. That totally crushes the 0.4% expectation. Stripping out food and energy, final demand jumped 1%. Guys, this clearly isn't just an energy problem.
Trade services margins spiked 2.7%. That signals deeply entrenched, broad-based services inflation.
Thrown in oil settling near session highs at $102, and macro headwinds are brutal. So we have this massive tension right now. Heavily bearish macro fighting relentlessly bullish micro price action. The 10-year yield reacted immediately, creeping up to 4.48%, eyeing that 450 level. Because of this, the probability of a rate hike by March 2027 surged to almost 57%. And a rate cut anytime soon? Honestly, the data says you can just forget about it entirely. But look at our micro savior here, NVIDIA. Despite brutal macro data, it's literally dragging the market upward. NVIDIA closed green yesterday, ripping 2.7% off its lows to finish up 0.6%. This was fueled by CEO Jensen Huang joining President Trump in China, really sparking H200 chip approval hopes. That relentless dip buying resolve helped the S&P 500 and Russell 2000 pair massive early losses yesterday. Looking at futures right now, the S&P 500 is down 8 points and trading just below fair value. But there's a huge NASDAQ divergence. Tech is actually clinging to gains, while the Dow bleeds 275 points. So the setup is clear. Will relentless dip buyers actually overpower this surging inflation data at the bell?